in grade 2A. Today I'm going to recite the poem Try, Try Again by T.H. Panam. It is a lesson you should hear if at first you don't succeed. Try, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail. Try, try again. If we strive, it is not disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should you do? In the case, try again. If you find your task is hard, time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folks can do. Why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in you. Try